Got a flat tire, trying to rescue him. It's up and loaded. Like I said, I gotta get my boy.
Yeah, man. Every time, man, he get me right every time.
And no matter where you at, you break down, I'm gonna call away.
That man popped up. I hit him up 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes.
We ain't gonna have him down. We got places to be. Oh, you see? Look who I found on the midst of the road. Oh, yeah. Family member, I just found my brother. Oh, you see it. So we're gonna get the front tire situated. We're gonna replace it with a new rim. Wash it down. Reservice it, go through it, check some stuff out. And then we turning it to the owner. Another one. Front tires on there, nice and going. All ready to go. Wash, clean. Tires installed. Another satisfied customer. Oh, you see it? He didn't one time go around. Go around so you get a feel for the tires.
I feel it.
Yeah.
I feel it different. And you say that's a performance tire. I seen that thing on there too.
So overall, man, what you thinking?
Man, everything live, bro.
Every time.
1 hour shot.
That's right.
It only took an hour, man. 100%, man.
Let me hear you say you see it.
You see it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.